It's an unbelievable experience. I mean, I just can't say that enough. It's something that you need to make time for. My name is Jay Amin. I'm a fashion designer. It's hard to actually put it into words. It felt surreal. I didn't really realize how much it was gonna like overwhelm me feelings wise to see him that close, and to be in an environment where everybody was elated as well, and then afterwards to be able to be in a room very close to him and get his blessings directly was something I'll remember forever. Bringing people together for one goal, and to achieve one thing, whether it's big or small, it's what we all strive for. But especially like me as an artist, I can take a lot of this away from my own business, and just standing out there and looking at Akshardham, like, I felt safe, which is a feeling that we don't necessarily feel all the time, but like out there I just felt an overwhelming feeling of safety. I mean, it's just a no judgment zone. Everyone come as you are.